Yami, your Acharyaji is sold out to this beautiful display of guts. Only somebody with the utter heart of a lion can dare to proclaim in public, Kabir Kutta Ram Ka. Kabir is the pet dog of Ram. And he didn't stop at that. He went ahead and christened himself as Motiya. Kabir Kutta Ram Ka, Motiya Mera Naam. Gale Ram ki jewari, jit khiche tit jaam. And when you come across something like this, you feel delighted to be alive at that moment. When I am with Kabir Sahib, I feel grateful for being alive. I'm grateful I was born so that I could come upon Kabir. And he lived in Varanasi, which I said is the seat of Hindu orthodoxy. And yet he had the courage, the devotion and the conviction to say, Pathar puje hari mile to main pujun pahad. At another place he says, Devtan se kutta bhala. If one could attain God by worshipping stones, I would rather worship the mountains. And he told to all the idol worshippers that even dogs are better than all these gods that you worship. At least dogs offer you some protection and security in the night. What do these gods offer you? Macho man, my hero. And I have been a fanboy. He's my superhero. And the sheer depth of his realization and the absolute simplicity of his expression. Maya Maya sab kahe maya lakhe na koy, jo man se na utre maya kahiye soye. And there are volumes upon volumes trying to describe what Maya is. The entire world is perplexed about Maya. What is Maya? What is Maya? And Kabir Sahib dismisses all this talk about Maya like this, with one flash of his hand. Jo man se na utre, Maya kahiye soye. As if he's saying, son, the question is so simple. Why can't you see the answer? Like a maths teacher consoling a beginner who is grappling with an actually easy but apparently unsurmountable problem. Son, it is so easy. Just say y is equal to e raised to the power x and you will get the answer. Just substitute e to the power x with y and you will get the answer. Jo man se na utre Maya kahiye soye. Done, dismissed. And Maya is cringing and squirming. Finally somebody got the better of me. Jo man se na utre Maya kahiye soye. That which keeps occupying your mind, that which you cannot get rid of, is Maya. Is there any other who ever put it across so simply and so beautifully and so totally? There is nobody. काल काल सब कहे, काल न जाने कोय, जेती मन की कल्पना काल कहावे सोए. Time is another of our obsessions and we never seem to get the better of it. Time, what is time? What is time? What is time? What is space-time? And Kabir Sahib says, Jeti man ki kalpana kal kahave soy. And here, he has hit two birds with this one arrow. When he says, Jeti man ki kalpana kal kahave soy, by kal he means not merely time but also death. such fantastic mastery is rarely seen elsewhere. Obviously, you get glimpses of it many other places as well. I respect all of them. All of them are very, very dear to me. I worship them. But when it comes to Kabir Sahib, I said I am a fanboy. When he speaks, when he sings, I can just stand and clap all day. Brute honesty and childlike simplicity. How can you put these two together? Kabir Sahib does. Brute honesty and childlike simplicity and innocence. I sometimes say to the ones around me, if I am very unwell and dying, don't offer me Ganga Jal and all that. Just sing Kabir to me. Not that that would take me to heaven. That might actually make me get up. I'm not interested in heavens or Swarg. But if you bring Kabir Sahib to me, chances are I'll just spring back to my feet. No mumbo jumbo, no miracles, no otherworldly stuff. Kabira. The highest that the world can ever know is calling himself Kabira. Oh. Who will not fall in love with such a hero? And work and work. Work the entire day. Work. And have the courage to speak truth to power. The bare truth. The hard-hitting truth. Never mix it up. Never dilute it. Put things as they are. It goes something like this. Ashwamedh, Ajamedh, Sarpamedh, Narmedh, kahe Kabir adharm ko dharm batave Ved. When it came to cruelty towards animals, Kabir Sahib is in another league. He is probably the only well-known figure in the history of religion who has spoken very clearly, loudly and unsparingly against cruelty to animals and flesh eating. He did not spare even the Vedas. When the Vedas said that the Ashwamedh should be there, you know what Ashwamedh is, right? A sacrifice in which the horse is offered. Similarly, Ajamedh, in which the goat is offered. So Kabir Sahib says, kahe Kabir adharm ko dharm batave Ved. And that is another reason why I so closely identify with him. Today, veganism is a cause we espouse. Kabir Sahib was a vegan in those times. He was the staunchest vegetarian at least. And he was very clear that if you eat flesh, if you kill animals, and if you eat animal flesh, then you are entering into evil, and no forgiveness, no redemption would be available to you. I can speak all night on him, so stop me. In fact, I have spoken more on Kabir Sahib than I have done on anybody else, both in Hindi and English. And I think as long as this body is there, I'll continue doing that. And his entire corpus is enormous. There is so much to speak on.